Welcome back, students of 5th class. Once again, you welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School Hiswa. This is class 5th, and here we will start to solve a couple of questions of exercise 38, chapter number 10, round numbers. So let's get started, friends. Here, question number 1 says round off to the nearest one. So it has some options, some sub questions we have taken for sub questions, friends. A, C, D and I. Now see, friends, here A number says 1.4. Now friends, here to the nearest ones, see friends, this is ones place here. So this, friends, this is 4, which is less than 5. So now friends, this point 4 changed to 0, friends, change to 0. Now write this 1 and 1 as it is and point 0. So this could be written as only 1. So 1 is the answer. Now see, friends, question number C. Here 3.6. So 3.6, friends, this ones we have to nearest, friends, round off to the nearest one. So this 10th place digit, this is the 6, friends, and which is greater than 5. Okay, now this point 06 changed to 0, and friends 3 increased by 1. That means 3 plus 1, this is 4, and changed to this is 0. So this is 4 answer. Now see, friends, similarly D, here D says this is, friends, here the ones we have to near the nearest, friends, ones. This is 1, friend, which is less than 5. So that we can say this 0.1 change to 0, and because which is less than 5, friends, so this is, so the others number, see the rest number 2, 3 as it is, and 0.1 change to 0. So this is 23 answer. Now the next question 5.046. So the 5.046 is very simple, friends. See here, so this is, friends, ones. This could be written as only 5, friends, because we are going to round to the nearest ones. So here, friends, have a look. This is 0. So this 0 is less than 5, friends. 10th place is 0. We have to see the 10th place is 0 less than 5. So we have to change 0.046 changed to 0. Okay, and 5 as it is. So write this 5.0. So this could be written 5. This is answer. See, friends, question number 2, round off to the nearest 10th. So here, friends, the given numbers are in decimal. If we read the decimal, this is here, friends, ones, because this is the whole number place, and this is the decimal number place. So this is here the 10th, this is 100th. When talking about the, friends, round off, the question says round off to the nearest 10th. So here we have to see the 100th place digit. Here the 100th, if the 100th place digit is, friends, less than 2, and here is the less than 2. Okay, now this 2 changed this 2 changed to 0, and write all the digits as it is. So this is 7 as it is, this is 4 as it is, only 0. So this could be written as, friends, 7.4. So this 0 may be written or may not be written, there is no matter at all. Now similarly for the same here questions, friends, look at. Now see, friends, this is 9.89. This is sub questions B. Look at the, friends, nearest to 10th. So here is the 10th, and this, and we have to see the 100th digit. So this 100th digit 9, which is greater than 5. So now friends, this 9 changed as changed as 0. See, changed as 0 because 9 is greater than 5. Now this 8 increased as 9. This has increased by 1. 1 से इसके इंक्रीज कर दिया है, तो 1 से इंक्रीज करेंगे फ्रेंड, दिस इज 9 और 9 क्या हो गया 0, एंड दिस इज राइट ऑल द डिजिट्स एज इट इज. सो दिस इज द सेम 9.90. नाउ दिस सेम third, this is E. Here friends, look at, we have to round off to the nearest tenth. So now this is the 10th and this is 100. Now see friends, this is 100 place. So this is 3 friends, which is less than 5. So now friends, this 3 changed as 0. Okay. And this 6 as it is. So this 3 changed as 0. And then all the digits after 3 0. So this is 0, 5 as 0, and now 6 as it is, and this is point, and all the digits as it is. All the digits before 3 means this friends as it is, then all the digits after 3 change as 0, and this 3 is also changed as 0. So this is, we can say 1.6 is the correct answer, or 1.60. Okay, so this is same. Now see the next question. Now see friends, question number 3 says write the following decimals correct to one place of a decimal. So here the given it has 4 sub questions friends, A, B, C, D, and we have taken A, B, C and D. Now A says the given numbers is the decimals with 2 decimal places, but we have to write the correct to the 1 decimal place, and the given numbers is 2 decimal places. So first friends, see here the ones, look at the digits, look at the second number digits from point. So this is the first decimal place and this is the second. Look at the second numbers of digits from points. Here the 3 friends. So this 3 is suppose the second digits from the points which is equal to 5 or which is greater than 5, then we have to change the digits before the second numbers digits from the point as becomes 1. Now see friends, here this is 3 and which is less than 5. So now friends, this 3 changed, this 3 changed as 0 and keep all the digits as it is. So this is 15.5 and this becomes 0. So we can say 15.5. So this is answer. Now see friends, here write the correct to one place of digit. One place means here the after points only one digit exists, only one digit after points. So the given numbers is the 2 decimal places, and we have to write the correct decimal places, 1 decimal places, which is correct. Now see friends, look at the second number digit after decimal 1 and 2. Second is 5 and this is equal to 5. Then we have to increase the digits before 5 by 1. So this become 4 and this 5 changed to 0 and write as it is all the digits. 7.4, this is answer. Now see the next one friends. See, look at this is the 5 which is equal to 5, then increase the digits which is before 5 by 1. So this is 8 and 5 as 0 and now points, and this is right as it is. So this is answer. Now see the next question friends. Here look at this third, look at the second number digit, because we have to write the correct to the 1 place of decimal. Here the 3 place of decimal given. Now see the second number of digits from decimal 1 and 2, and this which is less than 5. So we can write this number friends. We are going 2 as 2 changed as 0 friends, and now 8 as it is because this is less than 5, and point as it is, this is 9 as it is. So this could be written 9.8. So D number option 9.8 is the correct answer, and sub question D. So this is your lecture, friends. So this becomes end of the lecture. Now your homework, friends, question number 1, 2 and 3, including sub questions. Question 1, 2, 3, including of sub questions. Have a